Hey, what's up guys, Prabhat here, and I'm back here with another awesome episode of Best Android Apps. Make sure to check out our previous episodes if you haven't already. I'm pretty sure you'll find some useful apps there. Now let's get started with this video. First up is BX Actions. I was annoyed with the fact that you cannot disable Bixby button on the Note 9, but this app allows you to customize your Bixby button or even disable it. You can assign this button to perform a certain task or launch any app, else set it to nothing to disable it. I have set it to launch Google Assistant and it's been amazing. It works perfect and smooth. You can use this app to remap your volume keys as well. Plus the Pro version will give you added options. Next up is Data Time. This is an AR messenger app. Basically, you can create a 3D avatar of yourself and interact with your friends, perform skits with the AR character, and do a lot of fun stuff. First, you need to create your avatar using its camera and then move on to customizing it. From skin tones to hair to dresses, you can personalize it. After that, you can do similar stuff like Animoji. You can choose from a bunch of different accents for your avatar, as you can see here. All the accents are categorized into different sections, and you get a preview right here when you select it. Once done, you can record your audio as well and then share it with your friends. Furthermore, you can also chat with your friend right from this app in a more expressive and fun way. With the avatar, you can perform skits and share it. You can see a lot of fun AR skits performed by different people from the Explore tab. All in all, it's quite a fun app, so definitely give it a try. Next up is PowerShade. In simple words, this app lets you customize your notification bar with the Android P style look. It's fast, fluid and smooth. Looks really nice and gives a refreshing look to your notification panel. Furthermore, you can customize your notification bar as per your preference. Like you can change the color for the background, foreground, enable transparency, adjust the blurriness, etc. The Pro version of this app will give you extra customization options. Just give this app a shot. Next up is Hide. Like incognito mode on browsers, this app works similar on your social messaging apps like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Viber. Whenever you receive messages on any of these apps, the conversation will show up here and you can read your messages from Hide without letting your contacts know that you have read the messages or you are active. It's pretty neat and works amazing. You can interact to these conversations and even reply to messages right from this app. I use this app mostly for Viber and WhatsApp, as I can reply to my important messages, and also it helps me read my group messages to see what's going on while remaining incognito. Next up is Sound Assistant. This app basically gives you a floating icon to adjust the sound and its profile. You can program this app to launch automatically when you adjust your volume while using any app. So you can choose the apps where you want the Sound Assistant to be activated. Now from this floating icon, you can adjust the sound, adjust equalizer settings and different sound profiles. Makes it really easy as you don't have to go back to settings and adjust it every time. You can choose apps where you frequently want to adjust the sound profile, for example YouTube, your music player, etc. And whenever you try to adjust the volume, you get this floating icon and then you can tweak your sound and its profile. From the app, you can customize the floating icon like when to activate it, for which apps you want the sound assistant, and the floating icon time. Next up is Always on Edge. With the Samsung flagships, you get edge lighting whenever you get a notification. With this app, you get to customize that lighting, meaning you can choose when to enable edge lighting as per your preference. Disable it when the battery is low, widget settings, lighting styles, its color, speed, width, etc. Just go through the app to customize your edge lighting, and that's the main purpose of this app. Definitely a must try for Samsung users with edge lighting. Next up is Musicoled. It's an all-round music app with lots of options and features. You can browse through all your music saved on your storage or by albums, names, and artists. While playing the music, you have your regular set of controls here. You can swipe up and down for next and previous songs respectively. You can also do this on your lock screen. I found this really cool. Another cool feature is if your song has its lyrics stored, you can view that right from the player itself. Tuning the equalizer is also very easy and detailed, plus you get extra bass and surround effect options. Furthermore, you can set a timer for the app to stop automatically, change settings like customizing the interface, actions when headphones are plugged in, widget and lock screen settings, and also advanced settings for extra controls and functionality. All in all, this music player is a perfect package for all the music lovers. For wallpapers, we have two apps and both of them are pixel-styled wallpapers. First is Pixel Art Wallpapers. As the name implies, you get pixel art style wallpapers. All the wallpapers are high-res and really unique. We get art-style sunset, cities, landscape, and some wallpaper looks like they are pixelated version from some games. Similarly, second is for cars. If you are a car lover and appreciate car poster and art, this app is for you. You get huge collection of art-style car wallpapers. While we are on wallpapers, let's talk about this Afterglow icon pack which I recently came across. It's very colorful, minimal, a little cartoonish, but I like it. It has over 800 plus icons, so most of your apps are covered. Plus it supports almost all the launchers. This icon pack will surely give a refreshing look to your device. Last but not the least is the web novel. As the name implies, this app is for ebook readers and novel addicts. You get to choose categories that you find interesting and then you are presented with the recommendations. Here you have your library where all your saved ebooks are present. Or you can search and browse books from the search bar. What I love about this app is that while reading ebooks, you can simply turn on the audiobook mode, meaning you can just listen to the narration. Perfect for bedtime where you can just listen to these ebooks like an audiobook. Also, you can choose specific contents, change playback settings, pitch settings, and sleep timer. You can also vote for the book you are reading, download it for offline access, change the chapters, turn on the night mode, manage fonts, orientations, and leave a comment or go through them. All these features really adds up to the user experience. So that was the list, guys. I hope you found some useful apps here. If you have any recommendations, feel free to comment it down below. I will be coming up with more contents very soon, so stay tuned and I will catch you guys in the next one.